Welcome back to the WDS Originals YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be going into this S54 E36 M3. Yes, that's right, this is a Techno E36 M3 that we recently S54 swapped and did a full restoration on. Of course, if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe drop a comment down below of anything you may want to see. Of course, remember guys, we did do a full build series on an S54 E36 in the past, which is that Hellrot red car that is on the channel. So feel free to go and check that out, but for now, it's time to give you a nice overview into this Techno E36 M3. Now it all started with a few terrible photos and a phone call asking if I wanted to buy this M3. After buying this car basically blind over the phone, I grabbed a few friends and headed over with the trailer. After winching it on, we were soon on our way back to the workshop. At this point here, I still wasn't sure what I was going to do with the car, but after we put it on the ramp and looked at the underside, we decided it was well overdue for a full refresh. So we removed the S50 engine and started getting into the nitty gritty. After dropping both subframes, I decided to powder coat and polybush the entire subframe setup. This meant doing all new nuts and bolts and also doing all new lines. We bought everything new from BMW and also did an interior refresh. Now this car previously had a grey interior, but we retrofitted a black interior and added a few nice extras like those carbon trims. The black Vaders we purchased were pretty worn, but after a bit of leather dye, they came out really nicely. Now after finishing that interior, it was time to get back to the mechanicals. By this point, everything had arrived for us to rebuild the car. So we started with the diff and then started to rebuild the subframes. After rebuilding them and refitting them, they look like this. As you can see, we also added a set of Meister coilovers. Next up was the engine, and of course that had to be upgraded to an S54. As you can see, all the rod bearings and the wiring was completed, and it ended up looking like this. So there we have it, our E36 M3 Evo that started life as a 3.2 S50 SMG and ended up with an S54 manual track-inspired OEM Plus build, which in our opinion is the absolute pinnacle of E36. Of course, this car was a low mileage example and actually went on to sell for a pretty penny. So unfortunately this car is no longer with us, but of course that money has been reinvested into the channel and we've got plenty more builds to come. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.